Deciding where you want to apply to college is a big decision. After researching a lot of different colleges and universities, visiting college campuses, and talking to your counselor, parents, or guardians, you've hopefully narrowed down your list to a few safety schools, matches, and reach schools. Using Navient Student, you can share your list of colleges that you've decided to apply to with your counselor. To start building a list of colleges you're applying to in Navient Student, go to the My Favorites card on the Navient Student homepage and select colleges I'm applying to. You may see a banner telling you to match your Common App account. If you do, and you're applying to any schools that are a member of the Common App, you should complete Common App account matching before adding any colleges to your list. To learn more about matching your Common App account to Navient's and adding Common App colleges to your list, click the link on the screen to watch the video. If you don't see this banner, or if you're not applying to any Common App schools, locate and select the plus sign on the right side of the screen to manually add colleges to your list. In Step 1, Add Application, start typing the name of the college that you want to add to your list. Keep typing until the school name displays, then select it from the list. Next, select the app type by clicking the arrow and choosing an option from the list. The list will only populate with the application types that are currently available at the school. For I'll submit my application, you'll select the arrow and choose from the options that display to indicate how you're applying. While some colleges have only one way to apply, other colleges may have several ways that you can apply, so always make sure that you've reviewed all of the choices listed here. If you see the option to let your counselor know you've submitted your application to this college, and you've already done so, just click the box and a check mark will display. To save this college to your list, select Add Application. But if the option to add and request transcript is available, and you need to have transcripts sent to this school, you should select that option instead. In Step 2, select the transcripts that you'll need to have sent to this school. The options that you see here may be different than the options that you see in your Navient Student account. Confirm the college name where you want to have the transcript sent, and select Request and Finish to complete the transcript request. The college that you just added will be in your list and visible to your counselors. From the list, you can see the deadline type and date, if you requested a transcript, the office material status, submission type, and more. To add more colleges, just click the plus sign and repeat this process.